Hey everyone, welcome to Video Tutorials. Today we'll continue with the multi-part tutorial to model a tank. Specifically, we'll be lofting the barrel today. Okay. So first, let's create the shapes that we use for the barrel loft that is. Click on the Create panel, select Spline, then select Circle. Uncheck Auto Grid. Let's click and drag out the circle in the top viewport. Click on Zoom Extend selected. Press Alt W, maximize this viewport. Currently select the viewport. You scroll using the mouse wheel to zoom out. Select Modify panel. Let's change the name to Barrel Inner 01. Change the size to 5.5. Okay. Let's zoom in a bit using the mouse wheel. Press W to select Move to. Click and drag to move the mouse, the circle. Press Shift, then click drag to create a copy. Let's call this Inner Barrel 2. Okay, let's click and drag again. Shift, click drag to create another copy of Inner Barrel. Click OK. Select the first one. Circle, click and drag to move this up. Now we change the name to Barrel, just Barrel. Click OK. Change the radius to 7.5. Click and drag. Then we change this name to Barrel Evacuator. Click OK. Change the radius to 9, okay, the biggest part. Click and drag again. Shift click drag to make the clone or make a copy. Change the name to Barrel Aim, okay, and click OK. Change the radius to 8. Okay, select the barrel object, select a line, click on the circle below it, select Y, make sure X, Y, Z are all checked, then click OK. Select this, select the barrel evacuator, click on line button, click on the inner barrel at the bottom of it, and click OK. Select barrel aim, select line button, click on the barrel object below it, make sure X, Y, Z are all checked, click OK. Okay, make it easier to identify, let's select this set of circles and we give it the color of red. Click OK. Red will be barrel. Then select this two sets of the pair of circles, we give it the color yellow. Okay, then we select this set of vertices, the barrel aim that is, and give it the color blue. Okay, now we click on the Create panel, click on Spline, select Ellipse, click and drag out an ellipse. Okay, select Align button, click Align here. Okay, uncheck the Y position, then click OK. This will be barrel aim. Okay, now we click somewhere else. Change this also to blue. Okay, now let's click and drag, select everything. Right click and select Convert to Editable Spline. All will be changed to Editable Spline. Select this barrel. Right click, select Attach. Then click on the inner barrel. Right click again to finish attachment. Select this barrel evacuator. Spline. Right click, select Attach. Right click on the barrel, its own barrel inner. Right click to end attachment. Select this barrel aim. Right click, select Attach. Click on its own barrel inner. Right click again. Select Attach. Click on the ellipse. Okay. Now we click on, last time we saw Editable Spline, select Spline. Okay, let's click on the Move to. Okay, let's select this outer spline, which is the barrel aim that is, and then we make sure besides boolean the merge is selected, so click on boolean and click on the ellipse to merge the previously selected spline and the ellipse together. This will be a better point. Okay, now we select vertex, select the top vertex, right click, select make first. To make this the first one, note there are 2 extra vertices here. Okay, click on editable spline again. Click on this, select editable spline, select vertex, select the top vertex, right click, select make first, just like top vertex made first, just like for the barrel aim. Now we right click and select refine. We're gonna add 2 vertices on each side, so click here, add 1, click here, add 2, click here, then click here, then another 2, so that the number of vertices on the outer spline will be same as the number of vertices on this one also. Okay, click on editable spline, select this one, select plus sign beside editable spline, select vertex, select the top vertex, right click, select make first, right click again, select refine, click here to add 2 vertices, click here, then another 2 vertices, so the number of vertices will be the same and at the same relative position for all 3 shapes. Okay, select editable spline. Okay, now we go to press Alt W to go back to the 4 viewports view.